Alright, so today I'm going to explain how to use all of the free motion equipment, starting with the quad exercise. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is select a weight that you can manage reasonably, and then you'll notice that the strap is on the underside of it, so you'll want to have, like when you're setting up, you'll want to have this strap on the bottom, and then you'll just stick your foot right on through. You'll want to keep your knees in line with each other, and then you just extend your foot down pretty much. And so I like to do a little hop forward and brace with this with a higher weight, and then you just bring her straight down. So the next one is going to be the hamstring, and this one has multiple uses, but what I prefer using it for is just a straight regular curl. So you'll want to stick your foot through and in to where that strap is on the bottom, that strap is behind you. I take one step back. Again, you keep your knees in line with each other, and then you just curl straight back. I usually do about 12 reps of each side. And then to drop through, I found that it's easiest to just stick your toe straight down, and then just pull it out. All right, and so this one is going to be the free motion squat. So you choose a weight you can manage, and then I like to point my feet a little bit further out towards the mid, and then I go wide typically. You'll want to pull the e-brake, right, or the brake cord, or whatever you call it, the release, I guess. Then you squat down to where your knees make a 90-degree, or maybe a little bit deeper if you prefer that. Let it lock in place, and you just push straight up. And then you do as many squats as you plan on doing. Then you go down, and then you go a little bit further to release the tension, pull the cord again, and stand back up. And then the next one is going to be your free motion step or step up. There is a thing that you can pull right here to where you can set a height that you can handle. I usually just do the max height because I don't have any knee issues. And you can grab both handles. Main thing you want to do or pay attention to is how straight your back is, right? You want to treat it just like a squat or a deadlift where you don't curl your back. You want to kind of keep your chest forward. Then you take a step up with that weight. And then there's a couple other exercises that you can do with that, but that's kind of the basic movement. The rest you can kind of figure out for yourself if you look at them. There's a curl, a shoulder press. There's all kinds of things that you can do with this one, but that's the generic lift with it. Okay, and then finally it's the free motion lift is what it says. So it's probably the most versatile free motion machine that we have. Its main, the first thing it says is deadlift. I assume that that's what it's meant for. That's like the main lift for this one. So again, you keep your chest out and then just perform it like a regular old deadlift with a weight that you can handle. But you can also hit curls. You could do even weighted lunges, or another interesting one is a shoulder press, right? There's all kinds of things that you can do with it. Another option, which is kind of interesting, is you can adjust it with these things on the sides. There's numbers so that you can know that they're matching. So this one's kind of a more interesting one. You can kind of get into a squat position and then do rows with it as well. There's all kinds of things that you can do. You know, your imagination is your limit with this one, because I mean, the range of motion with this is from 1, which is about waist high, to all the way to the ground, which is usually where I keep it. But it's to your own discretion. But yeah, that's all of the free motion machines that we offer, and hopefully this provided a rough idea on what you can do with them. I'd say the biggest thing to take away from it is the quad and the hamstring. The setup is a little confusing. The rest are really just handles, and you figure it out from there, you know. Oh, and the release bar, I guess, on the squat. But yeah, I think that's everything. So thanks for watching. Hopefully this cleared up some issues that you may have been having, and have a great day.